Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube slow loading and lagging on Google Chrome. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to perform some preliminary checks. So before we delve into some more duplicated tips, just apply the following quick and easy fixes first. So first, just restart Chrome to rule out temporary problems and clear the cache and cookies in Chrome. So turn off the Chrome extensions you think could be interfering with the browser. So you can also disable your VPN and remove any VPN extensions installed on Chrome and reset flags in Chrome. So to do that, just go to this link right here. So it is at Chrome, and then click onto the reset all. So right here, this is the button, and update your Windows graphic drivers to allow your PC to process graphics more efficiently. And then if these fixes don't solve the issue and the lag persists, it is time for some more complex ones. So the next fix that you can try to do is to free up your RAM. So a lack of RAM is one of the most common cause of YouTube videos lagging excessively. Therefore, your next step should be close the memory hogging processes currently running on your device. So after they are freed up, Chrome should be able to play YouTube videos more smoothly. And to do this, just open your task manager with the Control Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard and click onto the RAM column to sort processes consuming the most memory resources by descending order. So filter out the processes that consume the most resources, but you don't need them to continue running. So just right click each of these processes and click End Task, and once your RAM is freed up, try playing YouTube videos again. And then lastly, what you can do is to close resource hogging Chrome processes. So if freeing up your memory doesn't reduce the video log, look for memory hogging Chrome processes and temporarily close them. So using the Chrome Task Manager can help you do this. So here are the steps that you need to follow. So first, just simply launch your Chrome and click onto the three vertical dots on the top right corner of your screen, and then navigate to the more tools and then head to the task manager. So just look for at the processes with the most memory footprint, such as tabs, extensions, and other processes. So and all processes you don't want to continue running, or extensions draining your memory the most. So to end any processes, just select it and click on to the end task. And now after that, try to play videos again and see if they log. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.